Hello everyone, welcome again. Today there's a new adventure here which is Mother's Secret. It's a really good room to solve, but it's a little bit complicated because we are doing here a static analysis. As you can see here, we will analyze code, and the problem is about actually application security. And while we are analyzing code, we will use ChatGPT actually. Of course, I hope it will be helpful for us. And to solve this machine, you have to download these test files. Anyway, after you start machine, you can go to this URL, and after you go this URL, you will see something like that crew member. It is our role, okay? And it doesn't have so much privilege to access critical informations. To do that, we will analyze the code and try to see a vulnerability in this code. But of course, ChatGPT will do it for us. I hope it can do it anyway. Let's copy this code and try to understand what's going on here. Okay, I copied it and now paste it, and let's say explain this code to us. Explain this code. Oh my god. Now it's okay. Imports router setup. Okay. Reading YAML file. Yes, there is some. Yes. Now we have the necessary informations here. First one might be route handling. Defines a post route on the router. When a post request is made to this route, it expects a file path parameter in the request body. Okay, so it's really important because we will do some manipulation operations from this file path parameter, and of course we have to make a post request to communicate the server. Anyway, file path validation. It checks if the file path provided in the request body points to a YAML file within the public directory. If the file path does not end with a, it's really important, this extension, it returns a 500 error response. Okay, let's move on, and I think that's all we need to know. Overall, this code snip defines the route in an express router that reads a YAML file, sends it contents as a response, and emits a WebSocket message upon successful processing of the YAML data. Great. Let's analyze this one also because we will need it to. Explain this code. Now it's time to analyze the Nostromo.js. Again, route handling. Router.post Nostromo handles post request to the Nostromo route. Reads the file in the file path again from the request body located in the public directory. If successful, it sets OK. And there is a second directory here. Handles post request to the Nostromo mother route. Reads a file specified in the file path from the request body located in the mother directory. Okay, so for both JavaScript codes here, we have to create some post requests, and we have to give some parameter in the request body, and it is file path, and there will be our target directory in this parameter. So let's begin. I open my machine. Guys, while we are manipulating or while we are creating post requests to this server, I will use curl tool. Maybe you can do it by with burp, or maybe some other tool. I do not know actually, but here curl is better for me. It is a command line interface tool, and it's easy to use it actually. Now, to begin, we need an information from here actually. these sentence gives us that information. It says emergency commands override is this one. Use it when accessing alien loaders. Okay, so you can have it with two-way, but actually it will be better. Let's never mind, I will explain it later. Curl X, and our request has to be post requests, and our headers, we are running JavaScript here, that's why you have to do it like that. And then our D is for our body parameters, let's say, and open it. Our first parameter is actually only parameter is file path, and the directory is, the file is actually this one, right? This room gives us that information, and the extension of it, when it comes to the extension of it, remember the how can I say, remember the code analysis part. It says these codes, both of these codes works with YAML extension. So I did it like that. Actually I tried it and it works. Okay, it worked. And now it's ready, and let's type our URL here. It is 10.10 and 8, and when it comes to do second directory, actually it has to be, does it given here, is it given here? It has to be, where is it? YAML path for handling. Okay, yes, as you can see, our total path actually includes these directory too, this file too. Okay, and TryHackMe actually didn't explain it here, but when you try to analyze this code manually, you will see it. Anyway, let's type here YAML, and that's all. I think let's press enter. As you can see, now we have another information within this directory, and it says for science officer eyes only, special secrets, rerouting to Epi Nostromo, order this one. It gives us a directory here, and it gives us a file in that directory. So our next path will be like that: Nostromo first, Nostromo, and order.txt. Our next parameter will be like that. Oh my god, what happened? It's here, and let's try to go there. This time, as you can see, it is about Epi Nostromo, so I have to come back to these analyzers of Nostromo.js. Okay, and Nostromo router post, it is going to the Nostromo mother. So most probably our main directory will be this one, Nostromo mother, but I don't know it. I will try it again. So let's create a curl request again, actually post request, sorry, with content type, it is application JSON and there is a file path parameter again, and this time it has to be order 937, right? txt, close it, close our parentheses, and let's type our directory and URL. Okay, sorry, yes. And now It was like Nostromo and mother, right? So let's press enter. It says you just hit the wrong road. So let's, where did you go? Okay, let's try it like that. Let's try with just Nostromo. Okay. Did I forget something? Maybe. Can it be like that? Should we add a pi here? No, not here. My god. It's broken. Okay. Let's add here a pi also. A p. Come here, baby. And then mother, let's say. Authentication failed message. Kindly visit Nostromo and YAML road first. Not necessarily in that order. Okay, we have another information, actually another error message, which is different than this one. File path, I think file path is true, but I will do it like that. I will delete mother here. And now I have another secret information, and as you can see our user role has changed. But how? When it comes to the how, it's written here. Hitting the routes in the right order makes mother confused. It might think you are a science officer. Okay, that's how we escalated our privileges. Okay. And now it says, can you guess what is Epi Nostromo mother secret? Of course, we will try to do it, but let's give some answers to our questions. First one, what is the number of emergency command override? It is written here. It's already written here. What is the special order number? And we got this information just a few minutes ago, and it is here. Where is it? Yes. Order 937. It is our special order number. What is the hidden flag in Nostromo route? Now we are in Nostromo route, and our flag is this one. Okay, that's great. And now, what is the name of the science officer with permissions? It is written here, and it is Ash. Okay. You can also see it like that. Let's go up and go down again, and as you can see, our role is Ash. It is role or name, I don't know, but the answer is Ash. And can we answer this question? What are the contents of the classified flag box? So there is a flag box here. Let's go there, and it is the answer of this. Yes, it is the answer of this question, and this flag is belong to this request. That's great. And now, where is the mother's secret? How can we know that we consumed all of our informations? But it gives us another information too, as you can remember. It's written here. Can you guess what is Epi Nostromo mother secret? So this time, do you remember that we have a parameter which is file path? And as you can see now, we see here file secret.txt. This time our file will be txt, and when it comes to the directory, I will try to use this one. Okay. And again, I will use curl header, and what was the it was content type, and then application JSON, and when it comes to this one, it was something like that, file path, and it is secret.txt, as you remember. Now close the parentheses, and now type our URL here, and then Epi Nostromo, I think, yes, and mother. and send it. Not good. Okay, this one is also true. Okay, that's great. Let me close the door because I wrote the directory wrong. It has to be like that. There are two O here, and now it's correct. I got this path from here, right? And when it comes to the file path, as you can see, it is our directory. Actually, it is our file that includes this file, this txt file. Anyway, we made a post request to the server, and our file path parameter was secret.txt, and our correct place for this file was a Pi Nostromo mother. And as you can see, there is a secret here, and it says opt mother. It seems like the directory of something, right? And when you come to this question, where is the mother secret? And the directory is actually the answer for this question is this directory, opt and mother. Now we have to actually go this directory, and after that we will see what mother secret. Okay, and to do that, as you can see, it says opt, and in the file hierarchy, these kind of files is the top of the hierarchy, is at the top of the hierarchy. Like let me go to the, right now I'm in root, right? And let's do ls, and as you can see in root file I have these files actually in root directory, but let's go to the top of this file hierarchy, and now as you can see I have lots of file here, and one of them is opt. So it means that I have to go back, and it means that the website has a file traversal vulnerability. I can go back with these tricks. It means, let me go here, opt, okay, and how can I come back? I can come back like that, as you can see, or let me go to the root directory, and after that let me go to desktop directory, and as you can see my location is root desktop, right? And I can do it like that to come back, and now as you can see I'm in the root directory. So the file has, or the web server has, this vulnerability here, and if you do it like that, or let's say there is some path here and it says Nostromo, anyway, let's say mother, but I have to go to opt directory, right? According to my experience, it is at the top of the hierarchy. So to do that, maybe I can do it like that, like that, and then after that, after I'm at the top of that file hierarchy, and then I can try to go to the opt directory and then the mother directory. So the logic is here like that. So delete it, come here, come back to your terminal, and our Nostromo, okay, let's go back to the, where is our secret? It's here. I will use the old request and modify it. Let's give it to me, yes. And as you can see, here we write our file, right? This time we will do something like that, because the vulnerability here is in that parameter, right? But of course I discovered it after lots of research and lots of unsuccessful tries. Anyway, it will be enough, I think, to go to the top of the hierarchy, and then I will write opt and mother. As mother a txt file? I do not know, but if it gives some error to us, I will try it as like that. I don't change this directory because it means that go back. Okay, so let's type, press on enter, but now we have a mistake here because I didn't write the name of the file correct. It is mother with 0 and 3, and now as you can see I have the secret here and it says flag NGO return of organism meow meow blah 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 blah. Anyway, let's try it like that. I'm wondering if it is work or not. And now it is, you just hit the wrong root. Let's try it like that then. Let's add an API here. It's wrong because actually this works with API Nostrum, right? So let's add Nostrum here, and now you got the flag back. You don't need mother here, but you don't need API Nostrum because when you come to do here, when you analyze this code, we did it with ChatGPT. Come back here, as you can see, router post, not this one but this one, router post handle post request to the Nostromo. So first we have to make a post request to the Nostromo. So if you don't type here Nostromo, but you have to first reach the Nostromo, to reach the Nostromo, before that you have to write API because Nostromo file is under that API file, and you can see it here. I'm not talking like I memorized everything that I do and now here I'm telling you. No, it's not like that. I tried to use all of the information is here because really I needed them, and really it was a hard room for me to solve. Anyway, but it was a good practice. Congrats TryHackMe for this one. So I think we finished. If you have some questions about this room, I will try to help you. You can give a comment here under this video. I will be here to help you, and of course until now I could help you. That's all for me and for this room. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next solution videos, of course. Goodbye.